Hey friends, let's get straight into this mighty song. We're just in standard tuning, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So guitar 1 and guitar 2 is doing something completely different in this intro part. Guitar 1, just play the 9th fret on the G 2 times, 12 on the B, and then 9G, 11 on the B. And we just do that 2 times. Then we have the main riff. We're going to palm mute on the open E string, 7th fret on the A 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 9, D and G. Go back to the palm muting open E 7th fret on the A 2 times, then play 8 on the D, 9 on the G, back to the palm muting 2 times, then 7D, 9G, palm muting 2 more times, back to the 8 and the 9, palm mute once and the 8 and the 9 again, and we do that 4 times, so slowly. 4 times there, and that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So this time, second guitar is going to be 2nd fret on the D 2 times, 4 on the G, and then play 3 on the G, 5 on the B, back to 2nd fret on the D, 2 palm mutes, do that again, 3 and 5, 2 palm mutes on 2nd fret D again, then go 2nd fret on the G, 5 on the B, 2 palm mutes on the 2nd fret D, back to 3, G, 5, B, and then just play 3 on the G, 5, B, 3 on the G, and we do that 2 times. And this is why our first guitar is playing now. So let's try that slowly. 2 times. Then we're just going back to the same riff as guitar 1, our main riff there. And 4 times, and they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse, we're just playing an E power chord, and then play 2nd fret D and G, open D and G, back to the E power chord, do a palm mute on the E, play a G chord, but just play down to the open G string, including that G string, palm mute open E to an A power chord. Now this next E, we're going to play the open E string 2nd on the A and the D, 4 on the G, and this is just guitar 1. Guitar 2 plays exactly the same, but just plays the E power chord. So back to 2 D and G, open D and G, E power chord, palm mute G, palm mute A, now jump up to the D power chord, go back to the start again, now open 2, 2, 4, 2nd fret D and G, open D and G, E power chord, palm mute G, palm mute A. Then we're going to play the G chord and include the B string here to to an E power chord, mute to an A power chord 2 times. Then go to a B power chord, then play 2nd fret on the A, 4 on the D, 5 on the G. So we do the B first, 2, 4, 5, back to the B, 2, 4, 5, and then play the 2, 4 and 5 again and pull off to the 4, and we do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then play a D power chord, slide up to an E, and play the E again. And as I mentioned, guitar 2, whenever we're playing the E power chord, is just playing the open E, 2nd A, and 2nd on the D. And that's our verse there. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So for our chorus, it's just our intro riff again, but we play it through 3 times. So. 3 times there, then just go back to a B power chord, up to a D power chord, play an E power chord, palm mute, then do the G as a down up. And again, just play it down to the B string, including the B, and down up. Palm mute the open E to an A power chord. Repeat that again. E, palm mute G, palm mute the E, A, and finish on the D. Then we go back to the verse, and guitar 1 and 2 stay the same as the previous verse. We go to the chorus. Now the only change here is after our B, we play the D power chord 2 times, and that's the only change. The rest stays exactly the same. So let me just talk you through the solo rhythm. It's nearly exactly the same as the end of our chorus, and we'll do our main solo at the end there. So we have the E again, the G, palm mute, just try and play the A 2 times, repeat again, E, G, palm mute the A. Now play the D 2 times. We're going to repeat that again. The E again. Now just play the D once. Do the first one again. 2 A's. Then to finish, the E, palm mute the G, palm mute the E, and hold the A. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. That's our post solo, pretty easy. We're just going to play the G, the E power chord, palm mute 2 A's, and then just do a build up with palm mutes on the A. I'm going to do it 7 times, and the last one's going to be off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. And that's our post solo there. So for our outro chorus, we play our main chorus riff again. That stays the same. 3 times there. Then we have a change here. We're going to go back to the B. Palm mute the open A, go to a C power chord. Palm mute the open A, go up to the D power chord, and just keep repeating that to the end. And we also have a second guitar here, which is just going to be playing 14 on the G, bending and holding 12 on the B. Go back 1 fret to 3rd and 11, back 1 fret to 12 and 10. And we just keep repeating that to the end. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. So we're going to start with 15 on the B, pull off to 12. Hammer back onto 15, pull off to 12, hammer back onto 15, pull off to 12, hammer back onto 15, and come in with your bar. Then we're going to bend 14G and play 15B. Hit your bar 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend 15 on the B. Play 12B, G, 15, 14, 12, 14D. Jump back to the G. 15, pull off to 14, pull off to 12, and do that 2 times. 14 on the D, bend 14 on the G, and come in with your bar again 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Back to 14G again, come in with your bar and let it come out, and do the same on the 12. Then bend 15 on the E, play 12E to B, 15, 14, 12, 14 on the G. Then legato here, B, 15, pull off to 12, G, 14, pull off to 12, D, 14, pull off to 12, back to 14, G, and bend 15 on the E. Do that again, and again. Then this last one, we're going to do 15, pull off to 14, pull off to 12, back to the bend on the 15. So we have 1, 2, 3. Start on the E, do 12, pull off to 10, 12 on the B, jump up to 15 on the E, pull off to 12, B, 15, pull off to 12, G, 14, pull off to 12, back to the B, 15, pull off to 12, 14 on the G, jump to 15 on the E, then play the 12 and come in with your bar at the same time. So we're actually playing it and letting the bar come out. Do the same on the 15, 12, 15, 12, and then bend the 15 on the E. Then we're doing a similar rundown again. 12, pull off the 10 on the E, 12 on the B. 15, pull off the 12 on the E, 15, pull off the 12 on the B, 14 on the G. Jump back to the B, 15, pull off to 14, pull off to 12 2 times. 14 on the G, bend 15 on the B, bend it again and play 12 on the E, do that again, bend 15B, 12E, 15B, then we're going to bend 14 on the G, release, pull off to 12, back to 14. Now all legato here again, G, 12, hammer on to 14, B, 12, 14, 15, 14, 12, back to G, 14, 12, 14, back to 12 on the B. Then we're going to jump up to the 22nd fret on the B, bend, play 19 on the E, and we're going to repeat that. So 22, 19, 22, 19, 22, 19, 19, 22. And then to finish off, we'll do 22, pull off to 20, pull off to 19 on the B, 21 on the G, and then 19, hammer on to 20, 22, pull off to 20, pull off to 19. Back to 21 on the G, and we do that 2 times. And then bend on 22 on the E. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Not for the Innocent guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.